Hello, welcome to Abcshoes. Here we teach you all that pertains shoemaking, from cutting of patterns to assembling of patterns to stitching of patterns to coupling and to finishing and all of it. Anything that pertains shoemaking, that is what we represent here. You're welcome to this channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well as you hit the subscription button and give us a subscribe. Make sure you engage other of our videos, make sure you copy our link and share to others. Make sure you learn something for yourself. Of course, these are some of our samples that we have here. All of these things that you're seeing are all handmade, so you're welcome here. If you care to learn, or if you ever want to learn shoemaking, of course you are in the right place, so you're welcome to this place. You can always reach us on 09035539885. I take it again, 09035539885. If you're outside Nigeria, you can add my country code +2349035539885. You are welcome. Here we have all it takes to teach you to how to become a professional shoemaker. Of course, that is an industrial sewing machine. We have our manual sewing machine, and we also have our filing machines. You can see our samples and things that we've used our hands to do. So it is real, and it is genuine. You're welcome. Please subscribe and like.